Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
It's my dad.
And what do you like about him being your dad?
I like everything. I like the fact that anything I ask from him, he does everything to me. I just like him. I just like the fact that he's my dad. That's
How does he really cope with his work and his health? Like his work and his family. How does he really cope with that?
Yeah, it has been okay because he's working for money. That's what he has been introduced to acting ever since he was small. So that's been good all the way.
What's your first expression when you heard your dad at this gigantic hotel?
I felt really great, and I felt, God, you did this to us. I was I was super excited.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there. So you just need to subscribe, unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's exactly everything Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any events, you can call us.